eating grass, dry grass. Oh, she brought it there on the bird cage, bird house. She's getting more dry leaves or haze, whatever, cut grass, and then she bring it over to the bird house with the babies. They're probably getting cold because the weather is like, it's summer but it's cold. Because this looks like a woodpecker. Huh? She's so fat. Looks like she's pregnant. Oh, look at the butter ball. Okay, Steve's new toy, brush hog, and they drop it like this on a pallet, and that's the what? The blade?
Yeah.
Here's the motor, and they broke the handle. There's that piece. I'm gonna take a picture so you can send it. Down a little bit. There you go. Push. Oh my god. Push it in.
That's it.
So how you go tighten that up? My goodness. Nap trees.
Still.
Heavier than you.
Yeah.
We want something to do. So.
Come on, I need you to help me push it.
You can do it. Just Steve's toy ko na. Na mga pang-arado na. Arado. 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 The girl's been praying for pancit, so pancit it is. Trucks. Big truck of logs. Wow, look at Eatonville town. So you're going to the mill?
Yeah. If you empty, they can bring them back.
Oh no, he's just...
But the other one, recycle bin.
Okay, and this is the trash. Trash day. Yeah. Gante ka gwapa ang rose mo. Oh, ay, naku. Isang tao, isang nanalipay, isang dam. Ang iba na puspos doon. Tapos ang ara, ang puti yun agyan, kadeer. Kaya white and the bulak. Is it this one? Watermelon? I think so. Julian and Nevis. Yep. Yes. And I need to get water, the avocado. And I am in beauty sections.
I need Epsom salt. Wait a minute, LA. Like Epsom salt. I need the regular one for my plants. I don't know. This is a scrub too. All this stuff. This is the same.
Now I'm off to get my fertilizer for my corn. I need a 10-10-10 for them to grow. Plant food. I need the one that says 10. This is 356. I got this. I still have this at home. I need, this is 444. I need 10, 10, 10. Let's see. Help. Where's my 10, 10? This warm casting is good, but it's 111. I just need a small bottle. How about this one? Let's see.
Yuri.
I think I needed this one. 10, 10, 10. Yeah, I don't need this one. 10, 15, 15. This is my corn needs. Yeah. And I need this rolling pin. $6. My goodness, I need this for my cinnamon roll. But it's big. I need a small one too. Like a set. Don't they have it here?
Right here.
Okay. I'm going to get our motor oil now. Lawnmower and tractor oil. Okay. All in all, these are auto.
Oils. I need oil. It's not in here. It's not in here, maybe on the other side. Windshield fluid. Okay, see, here's oil. I think I need the 5W30. That Mobile. There's this too. Synthetic. I know which one he needs. 5W40.
Hey, it's Chris. Here's some great examples of how Walmart and Sam's Club communities are finding meaningful ways to support Children's Miracle Network hospitals. In Georgia, people are raising funds for Wellstar Gully
I
Sawmill
think
Children's
this
Hospital.
one.
And in Washington,
Full
Walmart
synthetic.
hosted the 17th annual benefit car show for Seattle Children's Hospital.